In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download your designs using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie just getting started, Canva makes it simple to create and download beautiful designs. Let's dive right into the process of how you can do just that. First, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your details or create a new account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a wide range of design types and templates for you to choose from. Whether you're working on a social media post, flyer, or presentation, there's a template ready for you. Select a design that you want to download. This could be a new creation or an existing project on your dashboard. Once your design is open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to sharing and downloading your design. It not only allows you to share your project with others, but it also provides options to download the design to your device. Within the Share menu, you'll spot the download icon. Clicking on this will present you with various format options for downloading. Canva offers a flexible range of formats, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The options typically include PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, and more. Consider what you'll be using the design for. For instance, PNG is great for sharing online with its higher quality, while PDF print is perfect for print purposes because it preserves the resolution. After picking your desired format, it's time to click on the Download button. This action will begin the download process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this might take a few moments. Canva will usually optimize the file in the background, ensuring it maintains high quality. And just like that, your download is done. You can navigate to your device's Downloads folder to find your newly downloaded design. From here, you can use it in a presentation, post it on social media, or even print it as needed. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly download your creations from Canva, ready to share them with the world or keep them for personal use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and happy designing.